I have the pleasure to present you our new power plant projects. Before I start with the particular projects, let me say just a few words about our company. We are established in 1946, and today we are a leader in power generation, distribution and supply in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Our capital exceeds 1 billion euros, and we are a joint stock company where 90% is a state share and 10% belong to private capital. The company operates with 2 thermal power plants and 3 hydropower plants, and at the end of last year it has around 5,000 employees. Here you can see some basic financial information for 2009, where you can see that our total income was almost 500 million euros. You can see how the company is organized. We have a headquarters and several branches. On the side of generation, we have 2 thermal power plants, Tuzla and Kaka, and 3 hydropower plants on Neretva River. On the side of distribution and supply, our business is organized in 5 branches: Elektrodistribucija Sarajevo, Tuzla, Zenica, Bihać, and Mostar. Since last year, 7 coal mines were associated to our company, forming a concern BIH with almost 16,000 employees. Besides the coal mines, we have several subsidiaries for our other activities. Based on strategic plan and program of development of energy sector in the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the decisions of the federal governments, a few years ago we have started a new capital investment cycle in our company. Our main objectives are to replace the existing old units in thermal power plants, as well as to meet the requirements of the European Union in order to increase the generation from renewable energy sources. Generally speaking, for thermal power plants, we are looking for partners, and for hydro, small hydro and wind farms, we are looking for the support of different financial institutions. Our thermal power plant projects are designed with a high energy efficiency and using best available techniques. All the units that I will present here will operate in a cogeneration mode. First project is Tuzla power plant, unit 7, with installed capacity of 450 megawatts. This is a replacing cogeneration unit, and its investment is estimated to around 850 million euros. We are looking for the strategic partner in this project, and the plant should be in operation in 2017. We completed the preliminary design with the environmental input assessment and investment program, and we already got the environmental permit. Now we are waiting for urban permit and preliminary construction permit to be issued. Second project is thermal power plant Kaka, unit 8, with installation of 300 megawatts. The same story as in Tuzla, replacing cogeneration unit, with the estimated cost of around 626 million euros. We are also looking for the strategic partner, and the start of construction is planned for 2013. We have the preliminary design and the environmental impact assessment, and we got the environmental permit. Now we are looking for the urban permit and preliminary construction permit. Thermal power plant and coal mine Bugojno is a brand new project. It is a unit 1 whose installed capacity is around 300 megawatts. But prior to this TPP, we have to establish and to start the coal mine in that area, coal mine Kotesi. Also the strategic partner, and the operation will start in 2021 according to our plan. We already completed a pre-feasibility study. It is revised, and we applied for mining concession, whose obtaining is in progress. In the meantime, we tendered geological investigation works, second phase of these works. Combined cycle gas turbine Kakan, installed capacity 100 megawatts, cogeneration unit with a project cost of around 150 million euros. We are looking for the joint venture in this project, and the operation is planned for 2017. Hydropower plants. These projects are based on the fact that 60% of hydro potential in Bosnia and Herzegovina is still unused. In the developing of these projects, we used the very efficient technologies with minimal environmental impacts. First project is hydropower plant Landuk, 20 megawatts. It's a runoff river diversion plant with a tunnel of around 1.5 kilometers length. The project cost is 65 million euros, and the construction of this plant should start next year. We have a preliminary design and environmental impact assessment. Now we are waiting for the environmental permit and concession. These approvals should be issued within a few weeks. In the meantime, we are preparing a tender for main design, supply of equipment and construction of hydropower plant 12. Second project is hydropower plant Bosnia on Drina River, 53.2 megawatts. The same story, runoff river plant with a plant inside dam. Project cost is estimated to around 100 million euros, and in this project, as well as in the previous one, we are looking for the financing in the amount of 50%. Start of construction is planned for 2012. We completed the pre-feasibility study, and now the preliminary design is underway, as well as the environmental impact assessment. Hydropower plant Tusho and Zeleni Vir, two very interesting projects in chain, with a total installation of around 12 megawatts. We are looking for financial support in the amount of 50%. First kilowatt hours in these factories, in these plants, should be on the market in 2016. Study of hydroenergetic utilization of Bosnia River is already completed, and this project is already supported by the government of the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, as well as the other projects. Now we are preparing a tender for pre-feasibility study. Hydropower plant Chaplin with 12 megawatts of installed power, runoff river plant, plant inside dam. Total budget is around 23 million euros, and we are looking for the financial institution to support us with 50% of total amount. This plant will be in operation in 2016. We already completed the preliminary design, this first phase, and now we are preparing a tender for the second phase of preliminary design. Hydropower plant Janice, on Bosna River, 33 million euros total investment. Study of hydro potential is completed, and now the KfW Bank, German bank, is financing a feasibility study on this project. Regarding small hydropower plants, we have one project on Neretvica River Confluence, 15 plants to be constructed in 3 phases. You can see the total budget here. We completed the preliminary design, and now we are preparing the main design of this project. And the last 2 projects are wind farms projects. First is Podveležje 1, wind farm with 16 wind turbines with installed capacity of 46 megawatts. We completed a feasibility study, and now we are waiting for the concession. Actually, concession is already obtained, as well as the environmental permits. And in the meantime, we have announced a tender for manufacturing, supply, transport, and direction of the equipment. We did it a few days ago. The last project is Podveležje 2, which is in an early phase of development. For any further information, you can contact our Executive Director, Mr. Amedin Skokta, or the organizer staff here. They will arrange you a bilateral meeting with our General Manager and other managers. Thank you very much for the attention.